Well, good afternoon, YouTube. Had this box arrive today. This came from Panther RV Products. Double packed it. Yeah, this one is Fragile. It must be Italian, and in fact, this is Italian. You can see there, it's from Can Srl. Let's see what's in here. Ah, there we go. Look at that. So the reason I picked this up, this is an RV cooktop, so it's made in Italy by Can. 2-burner cooktop, has a sink, all stainless steel, and I wanted this for my outdoor kitchen project. Now, one of the first things I've got to do is get into these burners and get the jets or the orifices out, get some dimensions off of them, and then I'm going to contact Frank Hamilton down in Southern California and get him to build me a set of natural gas jets to put in here, because I want to run this off natural gas, and it's set up for propane, being that's an RV cooktop, but I think this should work really good. So we got the 2 hookup pipes, hot and cold. I don't have the hot water yet, but oh yeah, this is the all-metal faucet. Yeah, that is nice. The idea is this faucet folds down so that you can lower the glass cover, because this is going to be outside on my patio. Over here, you fold the faucet down, then you can lift it up, swing it out of the way. So that's the faucet. Oh yeah, so there's the drain. So yeah, there's the burner. Yeah, this is probably a fixed propane regulator, so one thing I'm going to have Frank get for me is one of these convertible Maxitrol regulators. So those you can just remove the screw in the end, and there's a little adjusting piece. You pull it out, flip it over. One way is natural gas, you flip it the other way and it's propane. But I'll have one regulator for this cooktop, and then behind the cooktop, facing the other way, will be a gas barbecue. Hopefully do a single regulator for both the stove and the barbecue if that works out. So yeah, I'll have to figure out how to get into those burners and get the jets out of there, because I believe the smaller one is 3,700 BTU per hour, 1 kilowatt, and it's a 0.5 millimeter orifice. This one is 5,900 BTUs per hour, and it's a 0.65 millimeter orifice. But I have to verify that. Get the actual part out and get the dimensions of the orifice, and then I'll give Frank Hamilton a call. And if it works out, I'll see if Frank wants to do a video on making these jet conversions for me. And if he does that, I'll put his video up here in the upper right corner so you can see how the jets were made. But I guess the first thing I got to figure out how to get the jets out of there. That's the first step. I figured I would get this first because it's going to be the hardest thing to mount or install, because I've got to mount this in a concrete backer board top. There's SMEV, or the Dometic brand, makes a very similar unit to this. One reason I went with the Can is it's got a very clean shape. It's just rounded corners and a rectangle. There's no odd cutouts or notches. The Dometic or SMEV cooktops, the profile is very difficult. Probably wouldn't be that bad to do in a piece of wood countertop material, but you know, I'm going to be cutting concrete backer board, and I'm also going to be fitting probably some sort of tile around after I drop this into the top. So this one, there's just 4 corners to deal with and then straight lines, so I figure this one will be the easiest to work with. I will get this set in place in my outdoor kitchen island. So once I get this sorted out, I can finish designing the rest of the island to accommodate the grill. Now the grill is very easy to set in because you just need a bottom, 2 sides, you know, the right width, the right depth, and you just slide the grill into the opening. So that goes real easy. This one, you've got to cut it in like a kitchen countertop. So that's going to be quite a bit more involved. So I figured I would build the kitchen island around this, and then the rest of it, I just leave an opening big enough for the grill, slide the grill in, and I'm done. But this will definitely be the more difficult part here. Yeah, and then this is where my island or peninsula is going to be going. I need to work out the outline. So I've got a couple of constraints here. One is I need this space here for my solar battery shed. So that's going to go from here to here. I've got my outlet box installed. I've got the natural gas pipe extended out here, and then this will come into the island right there. So I've got my gas shutoff valve, and I'll probably install the regulator back there and then run gas. The barbecue will be over here, the cooktop will be over here. The other constraint I have is there's an electrical panel right there. I need to leave 3 feet clearance, so that brick there is at 3 feet 36 inches, and then the brick on this side is enough clearance for my shed to go in here. And then I need to leave room because the shed's going to come out about to there, so it comes out about 24 inches. The cooktop's about 30 inches, so I may need to extend this out 6 inches more, because if I do 30 and 24 is 54. But yeah, at this point I'm just stacking up blocks and seeing what fits. We'll build up a wall here, so this side will be a vertical wall. I haven't figured out how high I want to make it yet, but kind of make a heat shield on that side. We'll have the cooktop in here and then the grill over here, so it'll be kind of a back-to-back peninsula. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the beginnings of the outdoor kitchen project here. I'll have solar power right here, so I'll probably do some 12-volt LED lights over this area, and then I'll have just cold water. I've got water is right there. I've got grid power right there, and I'll have solar power right on the other side. Once I get ready to go, I'll probably pressure wash the concrete, and then I have to do the bonding agent to lay down the mortar, get the first layer of bricks here level, and then we'll build it up a certain height and then drop the cooktop in. So I've got enough bricks and concrete blocks to do all of this, because I've got a whole stack of blocks out back. So I just wanted to show you this project at the beginning anyway. And yeah, if you have any feedback or comments, post up in the comment section down below, and I'll post any follow-up videos over here on the left side. And as always, thanks for watching.